What's up, YouTubers? We are here today with another order from Bricklink. Let's go ahead and jump right into this, see what we got. I do want to put out a little warning. We actually, Bricklink uses PayPal mostly for to pay, and so just make sure that your address is your current address through PayPal, because even though the address on our invoice was on Bricklink, when they shipped it, they used the address from PayPal, and PayPal defaulted to our old address, so I had to run out and go grab it from our old place. So just make sure that even if you add an address, a new address, like wherever you move to, make sure you make that your primary. All right, so let's see what we got. A little bit bigger order than we normally get. Those are really blue. Okay. All right. Looks like it's packaged pretty nicely. All right. First off, we have some of these right here. We actually have more in there. I'll tell you what I'm doing with these. A lot of these blue pieces, these are going to be, I'm going to raise the railroad tracks, and I'm going to go with blue. I'm going to try it out. If it doesn't work, I can switch it out to gray, but I wanted to try blue, just to be a little different. So that's what a lot of these are, and I'll be showing this off really soon. Our Lego City is looking pretty good, but yeah, so I'm going to actually create risers. Now there are the single piece risers that you can get. From different sets, and they're just like a single piece, and then you can actually add some bricks to the top or bottom of them to to raise your tracks up a little bit more. And I may use some of those, especially like where it's like like more of the downtown area part. But these other ones I'm going to create, I found a YouTube video for creating your own risers, and this way actually was a little bit cheaper, because you need so many risers per stretch of track. But these right here, these are going to come out a little bit cheaper, and these are going to look more like the pylons like you see like on modern highways and stuff. They're going to have like the 45-degree angle at the bottom and at the top. So yeah, so that's what all these blue pieces are for. As you can see, we got some slope 45s here, 2x2. Those are going to be like that's the bottom, and then so it's going to be like two of these back to back with a round one, and the round one's going up. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that out though. But yeah, so those are all part of that too. And of course, these are the inverted 45 slopes that are going to be for the top half. And then we got some bigger bricks that are going to be used for some of the bases in the start of it. And you'll see it all. I'll show a video showing how all that's going to work. But that is the bulk of this order. It was the train parts for that, to raise up our train track. All right, also we're working on a bumper car Brink, so I got some smooths here, and we got these right here to make a border around. So we got these black little 90-degree 1x4, and then these are going to be the smooth part that the bumper cars actually go on. I also got 20 of these fences. They're gonna go. They may go around the bumper car area, but I just wanted to try some, see what they look like, and go from there. Alrighty. Also, we got stickers. I'm starting everywhere I go now. When I do place an order, I'm trying to see what kind of stickers they have, because I've seen Robin Hood Bricks do that, and that's a pretty good idea, just to get random stickers, because you never know what you're going to get. So of course I got a Batman sticker. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's got POW, and it's got a Harley Quinn thing there. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize it was a Harley Quinn when I ordered it. So that's pretty cool. And then there's another Batman sticker set. It says Riptide, and it's got the bat symbol. And then it's got some other random pieces here. But yeah, these look pretty cool. Duck and cover. I believe these go on a set that's got like a duck. That's one of the little riding things. We have another set that's got ducks. I think Penguin has like these big ducks or whatever, or maybe Joker. But yeah, this is a different set than what we have, and so it should be pretty cool. We'll find something to do with these stickers though. All right, so there's the stickers. Nice that they put a card in there, keep them stiff. All right, I got some seaweed stuff for a project that we're just slowly starting to buy stuff for. So many of the Bricklink orders we're gonna have, you're gonna be seeing this stuff here. So that's gonna be good. And then we've also got some of these arm looking things. These are for the barrier rails that we use on our amusement park. So I just got some more of those because I needed a few more. And then these are little corners that we're going to use for our rink. So yeah, looking forward to using those. I'm looking forward to seeing what this rink's going to look like. So all that's part of the rink. This is part of a project that we're collecting stuff for, and this is also part of the amusement center. So very good. Also got a couple of minifigs. All right. They said they had these minifigs, so I figured I'd go on and pick these up. They were only a few bucks. I think literally like a couple bucks each. So let's see what we got. Alrighty. Alright. So, let's see if I remember which one we have here. Yeah, this is from the Fantastic Beasts set. Really like her. Queenie is her name. And I love her hair. She's got very nice hair. Very cool looking. And then, oh, the wands. That's pretty cool. So, yep. She's got a wand. And then she also comes, I believe this is food if I'm not mistaken, some kind of roll or something. I remember her cooking when they went to their apartment in New York. And so yeah, it looks like it's a roll. But yeah, there she is. So there's her. Got an extra wand, that's cool. And then this is an older set from Series 17, not too old, but a few back. Something we missed out on. All right, see what we got here. This one's for our fairground. This is a really cool one. Happy with this. This is really cool. I like this one. Alrighty. Got legs. We got torso. He's gonna look up at you. Alright. Got that gruff looking face. Oh, wait a second. This is gonna go here. That is so cool. Got a Sam Elliott mustache. Can't go wrong with that. Nothing says gruff, cool dude like that. And then, to show off that strength, yeah, one arm and 200 pounds, just like that. Yep. So we got the strong man. He is going to be walking around our fairgrounds doing what strong men do. All right, so that's the order for Bricklink. I'm super excited to show you guys what we're going to be doing with these pieces. That video should be coming up, if not this week, definitely next week. So yeah, anyway, if you like what you've seen, please comment below, subscribe and like, and we will see you next time. Take care. All right, welcome back. I wanted to show off a little bit of what we did with the pieces we got. My initial idea was to have the train, the tracks slowly go up until they get to this height here. And then once they're at that height, they would be that height for maybe halfway around the track and then slope back down. Now I had enough pieces to do that and it worked. I just wasn't able to get this high. I was probably only able to get like maybe half that height. So like about that was all I was able to actually get high. And I wanted it to be high enough to where vehicles and stuff could go underneath it like in the city. So since it wasn't high enough to do that, I decided to make everything to be just one height. So this is the height they will be. And here is what that will look like. Let's move these out of the way. It'll look like this right here. It's very sturdy. That definitely works well. I do like that. It works pretty good. And I also have another track here. This one's this is if you want to do a supported track, so I can run rails along here, and then it can be double wide to allow for like a full length or a full width of the road plate to go through. I do have one that's a little bit more sturdy than this, and it's got the supports all along it, but that's what a double one would look like. And here's what a curved would look like. So it does work pretty well. It's very sturdy. I like the look of this as opposed to using the one-piece scaffolding look. I don't know, this might be a little bit more expensive to do this way. I'm not quite sure. I haven't really done like cost analysis, but it's pretty close regardless. And the color, I do like the color. I wasn't quite sure I was gonna like the blue, but then I decided instead of just doing all blue to do them like this. We kind of tried out different colors. We tried red and beige, or I'm sorry, tan. We did like a light gray. But the white kind of looked the best. It does have that kind of police look to it, like that. But I mean, police, it's all kind of part of the traffic system. If we do a bus or something, I think we're going to have the same design, the blue and the white. I may do like a subway train car or something that does blue and white as well. So all the travel elements will have this theme involved. So unfortunately, I do not have enough pieces. I'm going to need 33 of these, and since the white was kind of a last minute addition, you know, of course I don't have enough of those either. So I have enough of these to do about 10, but I need 33 total. So I'm going to be ordering more parts, so that'll be another Bricklink order later on down the road. But yeah, tell me what you think about this, if you like this color here. If you have any other ideas to try with the color, I'll take a look and see how they work out. But yeah, I'm happy with this overall. Of course, a little bit let down that we don't get to actually implement it into the city yet, but this was kind of a trial and error type thing anyway. I probably should have made a prototype of just one of these first to figure out what I wanted. But again, this whole thing changed anyway because of the slope that we wanted to do. I wasn't really happy with how slow the train goes up because it really takes a hit as it starts to incline. So yeah, I think we're just going to have just an elevated train track. Maybe later on down the road, we'll try another elevation thing at some point. Maybe we'll do 2 motors on a train, like a passenger train or something. But at this point, we're just gonna go with a raised track, and then yeah, we'll go with that. Do stay tuned. I have promised a tour of the city, even though it's not gonna have the raised railroad track, and the city is definitely not nowhere near a completed state. It's not even in a state that I'm necessarily super happy with at the moment, but I still think that it deserves a video to show the progress it's at now. And then we'll be able to see it grow from that. So I think tomorrow morning I'm going to shoot a video early before anyone in my house wakes up. But yeah, so let me know what you think. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.